You see them right there? West.
Hey, get eyes on left side. Johnny's getting taken fire. Is that you, Johnny? You got visual? Oh, Johnny's out. Johnny's out. I'm gonna wait for that guy to move up. Yeah, copy. From my position, did you move east or west around the rock? I didn't see him. He just took out Johnny and I heard the fire. I'm blocked by the trees, no visual.
Hey buddy, what do you see over there?
There was one behind the bush. I took a guy out. I don't know where though. Somewhere right here.
We got a guy with the SMG.
Okay.
Holding dead center.
All right. Hiding around bushes. All right. All right, he says he's falling back. Ooh. Copy. I'm gonna try and move right around this rock back down to the trail. One guy right side right here too. Right side brush. Behind the other side of the rock, my 12. I got one over here too, Julius. By the bushes, right side trail where we were earlier. We got two over here, two right side over here. We got two over here by the trail, original spot. One at the rock, one at the bush. Moving on the right.
Alright, I got this one on the right now.
All right, two here, one in the bush, one to the right over here. Behind both bushes. Copy. They got the guy on the left. He went collapsed at our old spot. That's where they were. Two of them.
Are you good, buddy?
Oh shit.
Alright, where at?
My 12 behind this bush, somewhere one, and then there should be one still over here.
Who has SMG going for auto?
I'm not
There's
sure.
like a
M4 over here, maybe. Oh, probably.
Okay, we got one over here.
Okay. Behind this one. Check the flag, maybe one. Double checking flag, I saw one back here. Hopefully it's friendly. Thank you. Hit. Not sure where they're at right now. I'm left side near a spawn. Okay, copy. I see our guy in blue on the far left. Is he with you on your side? No. From your, never mind, I see one guy on my 12 by the old position 2 bushes trail. Copy. You see our guy in blue? Copy. Our 2 guys on the right are hit too, so we're kind of just done. And copy, you're still up? Are you still up? Alright, copy. Trying to... Yeah, copy. There's one guy at rocks by those 2 bushes in the center trail, and then I'm not too sure what's on Johnny's side. I see nothing on our west side, far out besides 2 of our dead guys. Yeah, copy. I think you're good to advance way up to Johnny. Stand by. I see Julius, but nothing in the ravine. I'm trying to move on his left side. Keep him busy. Yeah, go ahead. He ducked down in the rock. There's another guy behind in the bush. Negative, farther bush. I got a guy moving on the right with me. He might get me. I gotta pop back to better cover. Yeah, I'm retreating. Trying to rough fire on your guy, Johnny. See if you can swoop around Julius, get a bigger shot. There should be one guy really close to me besides Johnny's guy. Got him right side my toe. I got the guy advancing on my right, going back to the rock guy. That's me. But the guy at the rock is at my 12. You can try to flank Johnny. Okay, I don't have a visual. I'm prone on the rock. Moving right to the bush. Move right into the bush. Same two bushes in the middle. Check right of me, Julius. I don't got a cover on my right side. He's running a K. Check my right, Julius, if you can. So one got far right, far west side out of our range, and then we still got the guy at my 12 in the ridge line by that bush. And I believe one more behind him to back it up. Copy. I'm holding back on the rock before you go into the ravine where the tree was that you're at. Do you want to back up and then move right? It'll leave our Polar Star guy here alone though. Yeah, I think that's our friendly. It's our blue Polar Star. I mean, we can push left with him. Yeah, let's regroup and just go down. Just leaves our middle way open, but they've been scooping up the middle anyway. It looks like there were two on our right, might be able to hold it. Yeah, copy. When you come to me, then we'll move. Okay, copy. When you come to me, we'll close that gap down center. Way this way in. We're just gonna push up, close the gap with Julio on the left, and just go up that way. And just try to get close over there. Our other guy's gun went down. He went to the car, so there's 6 of us. Yeah. I know. Let's we'll get to this green brush and hold. Yeah. Looks like loose hole down here too. How'd they go all the way around? Straight into the ravine?
Crawled up the ravine.
Let's hit that shade for a minute.
Watch this thing.
Yeah.
This direction. And that part was insane with time.
Nice breeze. Still got water? You good? Oh, you out of water?
I think my ball.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hydrate in about half an
Oh,
hour.
one guy right here. Oh, blue.
Blue.
I got a little bit if you want this, bro. You want it?
Sure.
Yeah, take it.
Friendly,
friendly.
Julio.
Yeah, kill it. Whew. How many magazines?
I still got 5 left.
Oh yeah.
I've been
Reloading?
taking it easy.
Yeah.
It's like 10:30 right now.
Yeah. Will Julio down? Or he's up?
No, he's down.
Oh, okay.
He might be reinserting his.
I know there was one full tan. He was Polar Star all the way over there, kind of picking at you guys for a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Because I was getting the guys in the front in the bush, but I couldn't get the far right guy.
The guy in the G36 moved up pretty fast.
One did move this way, and I was able to get him. Bigger guy.
The one P90, he's good. He's the one that crossed the ravine and got me.
Oh, is it a big guy?
Yeah, he
Oh, big guy
intercepted-
P90?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
he intercepted me right here. Got me good. Should've brought that goddamn slug. And I still haven't gotten that ACR fixed.
Uh-huh. heavy. It sounds heavy anyway.
Actually, it's light.
Plastic?
Yeah, it's all
I know, that's why
plastic.
like this is plastic. My Marui is metal. I'm not going to bring that
This
up.
thing's metal. It's heavy.
Okay, my 12 behind this, in between these two bushes. Is that a head on that rock? Can I see like a green?
Conversation. Julio, we're on your we're following on your 6. We're following you.
Fuck at that.
Right.
Right.
I hear shots.
Let's go back. Back up. Back up. Get some distance. Ooh.
You're moving up.
Call it. Call it. What do you see? All right. I hear it. I can't see. I hear it. Can't see it. Is that guy one guy rocks? Okay. They're in the rocks. I don't want to go around. I'm tired. I'm holding him that left side tree. Copy. You want to collapse left and then cut through? Behind us. Watch our 6. Back in the ridge line. I'm on your 6, Manny. Is that guy still up? They got Manny. At the rock. Or maybe Manny's up. Yeah, my heart be pounding. Friendly behind his black shirt. Friendly. Damn, bro, I can't stand the heat anymore. I'm gonna come to you. Fuck. Fuck, the heat's getting me. Taking me.
Yeah, man, I've stopped sweating now.
Let me take off my vest real quick. Oh, I froze.
You guys got any enemies over here?
Thank you, Julius.
There's a guy with I don't know what he's wearing. He's like a fucking.
Smog of helmet.
Yeah, that's right. There you go. He's on the fucking hill on the right. He's walking down here. With one guy that.
You see him? Hit it! I'm out. Ah, you are the P90 ninja. Oh, you got me, you got me. P90 ninja. Like the guy with the P90. You got me good. Yeah, I think like in the legs, torso. I'm sure you're listening. It's like, I was like, fuck, I can't be quiet. I can't be quiet. Yeah, because
I was over there, I was out, and I just had a pistol to hold you guys off. And I went back. I'm holding them off for nothing.
Oh, perfect.
And then my buddy went to reload me, and his speed loader broke.
Uh-huh.
He's like,
oh,
you got 20 rounds.
Yeah.
I'll make them count.
Hey, I can't get out of this left side. How far you guys get on the right? I know you guys can push back and they get the flag. Cause did you guys pull back to behind the flag for a while? Or that just for respawn, you walked out of the way.
No, yeah, I respawn.
Yeah.
Go outside to drink some water, then come back.
This fucking thing shoots for a shot barrel.
Oh yeah.
My buddy's got
Stock barrel or what?
yeah.
Oh
both
yeah.
stock.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's running 420, so he's running 30s,
Uh-huh.
and I can outrange him by a couple
Oh.
feet with this.
Shit. Right on.
This is that new Tritech model one.
Oh damn, that's right. Yeah. Yeah.
So from here, like I can hit those rocks that are bulging up.
Shit. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Like second horizon. Yeah.
Yeah, those two rocks, one's like a cliff.
Uh-huh.
I could actually hit that one here with BBs in it.
Huh.
So I was like, it's one of my
Give me
new
the shit.
favorites.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's fucking sweet where you want to go.
Normally when we come here, I use my 525.
Uh-huh. Get that range, yeah. But I mean, if you're ranging with this.
Yeah, the thing's getting pretty good range. It's impressive. But the mags are
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
hard to reload.
Uh-huh.
Hard to find pouches that hold them.
Yes. Oh, I bet. Uh-huh.
Their standard rep mags
Uh-huh.
are like $50 a piece.
Yeah.
But they are.
How many will
like,
they hold?
I think they're 130.
Uh-huh.
And then if you switch it,
But still, how many can you carry? 2, 3, max? 2?
6.
Oh, okay. You carrying it?
I have 4 here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Double
This
tap.
pouch holds
Okay.
2.
Yeah, like, yeah.
But you can switch it to 50.
Is that a bitch to move because they're so long? Like when you're prone? Just have them on the side, huh?
It flexes.
Yeah.
But if you go to like a Milsim game,
Mm-hmm.
you can clock it to 50. And then
Oh,
you can,
nice, even
be
more.
Standard.
That's cool. But still, 50 and 130?
50 and like 130.
That's cool. Oh, brother. I know. Yeah. I got BBs, some more BBs. Oh, how do you load that? Can you do that with Fila?
I gotta do a chicken.
I don't know if you're going to jump back in, but I don't know if I'm outie.
Let's see. Sometimes in these hotter days, people are feeling like,
You want to get some of this? A little bit? Yeah, get a little bit of that.
I have my bigger vest. I have a speed limit on. Yeah, I want to go light hospital.
Yeah. These too. But they're .2s, they're .2s.
Ow. First time out here with it.
Yeah, just something to shoot. Yeah.
You guys been playing one?
You know, honestly, bro, I was playing
What is this?
since so my first games were Lion's Claw. So Lion's Claw 2. So that was like 04. My brother took me. And I want to say I was what, like 17?
I started with
I
these.
know about the other guy.
Started playing with them in 2000. I
Oh, yeah.
joined in 2001.
Oh, it's been a long time. You've been playing your OG Air? That's why, yeah, Roughneck, OG's Airsoft. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Makes sense.
I remember we used
So
to
then, did you ever go to Lions Claw games by chance? Okay, cool. So I used to run with the War Dogs. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, okay. I used to run with the War Dogs. You remember War Dogs back in the day? War Dogs, and then we just got absorbed into Six Sog, and now we saw hanging out like too many of us in Six Sog. Right, not like the big, staying true to the Roughneck. Oh, yeah.
Section A.
Section 8, yeah, yeah. Where else were they? Who was like Pliskin and all of them? They were, remember Lions Claw 2? Strikers? I think it was the Strikers.
Yeah, I was, when I first.
Alpha Q, they're kind of, the Huggies?
Yeah,
Right? Are they gone now, huh? All the Filipinos are gone, bro. All the Filipinos are gone. I remember one hand had the first rooftop tent I ever saw. Right? Was on one hand's car. He had the rooftop tent. I'm like, damn.
We were playing somewhere.
Yeah, for real.
We were crawling, and our buddy with the most serious face ever, like, what do you see?
Yeah.
He poked his head out, and he poked back in. He's like, Filipino National Army. 2 clicks. And we started laughing because they all had the Filipino triangle.
Yeah.
And we were trying so hard not to laugh because he said it's so serious.
Heck yeah, bro.
We are finding those.
Alright, bro.
Lions Club,
Yeah.
not this year, but
Which way to go? Were
Yeah.
you tent camping or
there's a
did you
team
bring
and
like
there's a bunch of Filipino
For
dudes.
sure, for sure. Probably Alpha Q. I think Alpha Q still plays, right? Yeah, they still play.
I think it might have been those dudes.
Yeah, because Airsoft Master closed down. I think that was Mark. Mark owned that. He was Alpha Q. He was running Alpha Q.
A bunch of those dudes were like in their 50s.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Oh yeah.
Same with our team.
Yeah.
I'm fucking 46. I'm
Oh yeah. Oh dude, I'm 40. Yeah.
Usually
Yeah.
it's like, or at least
Oh yeah.
I would be going
Nice.
kid on
Hey, I ain't mad at that. Seriously, I was a kid and now I'm over here old, tired.
usually 200 people.
It's filled out in Redlands. It didn't last long. It was an indoor place.
20 or 30 people.
I know a long time ago there was a Rialto one. That was the indoor. That was like probably my first
They
indoor.
had like wood building set up, so like cut out windows and everything.
Yeah,
It only
Redlands?
ran a few months. And then
Redlands is far from me. But my brother used to play in Silmar. Right? What was that called? Was that just called Silmar?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Silmar. We used to play the dice. So okay, yeah, you're OG. So you remember like Longshanks? Yeah, Ed. Yeah, rest in peace. Yeah, Ed.
There is too. I know, right? I don't know how long
I don't think it was former
Ooh,
military.
another one?
It's all
Yeah,
indoors.
this is-
One in the nearby?
Indoor?
Oh, okay, yeah, the indoor ones I'm not too sure.
That's what I knew.
Yeah. This was a huge fucking warehouse, and I remember
Oh,
somebody-
Zipper. That's not Zipper Factory, right? That
This
was
was
somewhere
a
else.
huge warehouse, like divided into two sides sometimes.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it went like from that rock past those trees.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was just a huge, and it only was up for a few months, and then.
I got shut down, huh?
I remember we did a night game there once, a private game, and somebody.
So what was the one they called the Zipper Factory? Was that it?
No.
No, that's not it? Okay.
It's not the Zipper Factory, because that was an actual factory.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, do they still do the one in the water park anymore or no?
Like Jungle Island.
Off of 15?
Yeah.
No, the one off 15, like the abandoned water park?
Yeah, the abandoned water park. They still do
It's
that.
gotta be random games. No, I don't think so anymore. Yeah.
I remember
Try
Jungle
that.
Island was like one of the first fields you can pay to play at.
Yeah, and that's honestly still where
That's
I'll
a
do a
lot of
private
fun.
game. I'll still do a
That's a
private
lot.
game there, but
That's better than SC Vipers. Yeah.
yeah,
They're just so small.
yeah.
Like we went to a paintball park near us,
Uh-huh.
where the two teams start.
Yeah.
My rifle.
You
Oh,
team.
ASG? Is that the one you're talking
No,
about?
we did with Mr. Paintball.
Mr. Paintball San Diego?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a couple. They have like a containers one. They have like a town one. They have a bunker in the middle, like a fort, like kind of like a Fort
Yeah, the
Apache, like
castle
that.
one.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, their staging area, like my SR-15 can
Yeah.
range from my staging to their
Like,
staging. It's like, this is not a field, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
All you do is they blow the whistle. I can just stand there and pop.
Start
half the
popping,
team
yeah.
Before I get hit, I'm like, okay, well, I took half
Camp
the team out.
Pendleton's still.
Oh shit. See you guys.
In that area. I think they rent it out
Oh, really?
once in a while.
You got you?
Yeah, I think we're.
You want to respawn or are we done?
Yeah. Want to respawn? If not.
All right, well, I'm going to slowly walk away from
Yeah.
you.
I'm
I'll
gonna
do
do the same thing.
Damn.
Throw back. I'm out of water. I need a good drink.
I'm good too, honestly. I want to keep going, but it's just a far going.
It's a far going, yeah.
Yeah. All right, man. You might be on your own.
All right. You done? I'm done. I'm about to get heat stroke. I started sweating about like 10 minutes ago. Yeah.
A big pussy, dude.
I
I was thinking the same thing. It's like something I'm twisted.
Yeah. I know. Even give you my water, bro.
You still see all the primary colors.
Shoot.
Tired of knowing. No, dude, health is number one.
Nah.
Your eyes, you ain't done till your eyes are blurry.
Yeah, I think I'm done. I agree.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm a pussy.
Nah, bro. The heat we got a good 2 hours in it.
Well, I mean, the whole day yesterday, I was like, it's gonna be too high.
Yeah. No, that's it. That's 11. We made it.
I have a mortgage.
Hey, we think we're gonna head back, guys. Think we're gonna call it if they didn't call it already.
Yeah, dude.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit.
That's true. Hey, Johnny, come in, Johnny.
Is that a fire pig?
Where, dude?
Your,
Oh, which one?
yeah, the fire pig. That thing right there. The fire pig, right?
Oh, yeah, it's a tracer.
already?
They didn't call it. I think we called our game. We're tired. We're too hot.
Oh, dude,
Yeah.
We're about to get heat stroke.
Shit.
2, 4, 5. One more. So I'm missing 2 guys. Can you get Johnny on here?
Yeah.
Just in case he wants to get the radio.
Johnny, you
I'm just
copy?
walking
Johnny,
up the
Johnny?
bottle.
They're out.
Johnny, do you copy? Let me see your
I got all of them in front of me.
Oh.
that?
Still going.
Oh,
No, it's
where you at? Well, let's go to you.
Back
Final
to where
fight?
the spawn point was just about.
Okay, we gotta get water anyway. You think you can get something there? I'm gonna get one good little hump
How many
back
magazines
there.
you need?
I'm good, bro. I reload. I've been reloading. I'm in the shade.
Well, he's about to be done in about a second.
All right. Tell him. Then we're gonna
just try to head back.
head back and just make sure you grab his water.
Yeah.
Head back, guys.
Yeah. Hey Johnny, we're gonna head back. I'm not feeling too good, so I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna head down the trail.
Oh yeah, true. Your wife's hanging out there. We can't be like, oh, we brought him back, fucking dead.
Copy that. You might as well just call it. Okay.
What do you say?
Yeah, he's still engaged.
Okay. Hey. Oh.
Oh shit. Guy.
Shit. Do me a favor, grab that radio that I just pulled out. I just broke an antenna.
You did.
Sorry, does that still work? I'll throw the cap on with some super glue.
You want a spare? I got one.
Antenna?
Like at home.
Yeah.
The whole team's here.
I know.
Probably Johnny. Johnny fucking ninja.
Yeah, maybe Johnny or it's Who's the other guy that? Yeah, the really tall dude. The other really tall dude.
Oh, yeah, the army dude. 3-color. He's wearing 3-color. Well, I hear Johnny.
Well, either way, I gotta get up that hill.
Yeah. So I'll move halfway with you. Hey, Johnny. I was getting my good break on. Julia's over here almost fainting. I had to take out the backup water. Where to? Okay. You get your water? All right, we can move out. Let's do heat. Let's fight to back. Fight to back to the camp. Yeah. Drop glove. What's up, bro? Yeah. Which way's out? Hit this trail and up.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you on that trail. All right, brother. See you back.
Damn, bro, we need the shade.
Harder than knee.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy one of those Milwaukee exosuits.
What's that like?
It helps you like pick up, move, walk the whole 9 yards. Like it drops your strain by half. There's a lot.
Ready? Fell? Oh.
Or what do you call that pigeon? Quail.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah. Always out of shape, yeah. This is my cardio, bro. This is our hiking, our cardio, our shooting. This is how we get to do all our hobbies.
Yeah.
I mean, it's tough, but
It's training.
yeah, exactly. It's we can enjoy it a little bit. That's cool. Regina kind of starts with hanging, but
Right. Jeez.
we'll move to shade right here.
Can you imagine if we decided to put in full gear?
Fuck
I'm
yeah.
not talking like AR 500 plates. And all
Oh,
that
plates?
heavy shit.
Oh, yeah. Not possible.
Oh, God, dude.
Kudos to us that we're wearing our plate carriers.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time we caught it probably 11:15. It was hot as fuck like this.
Yeah, I know.
So we figure like we get our good 2 hours. The good thing about this, it's like, because it's op style,
Right.
we just keep going. Not like 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Because it gives us a lot of room to wait. I mean, to call it.
That's why I want to do another event.
But we just need people that can commit like months ahead, so we can roll in with like 6 of us.
Oh, dude. After being married, committing is hard.
Oh, for sure, bro.
Yeah. Remember when you invited
Oh,
me
yeah.
twice?
Yeah. Oh,
You
yeah.
had family plans. I was
For
like,
sure.
well,
I was like,
shit.
fuck, Regina.
Right,
But
me
Saturday
too.
to Saturday. That's why. Like the good thing with this, it's every month, the first Monday of the month. So it's like we can set aside for it.
Right? Oh, God. Oh, man. I remember when we were playing in like SC or Jungle, it's like, we'll go through 6 magazines in half an hour.
Mhm.
This you really gotta manage your ammunition.
But like that, I would love. You know, I would love to do jungle, but I'm just so it's so tired to get people. It's so exhausting.
tired
You know
to
what I mean? Like,
organize. It's tired.
yeah,
to
it's
organize.
so
Even asked
tiring.
My cousin.
yeah.
Oh, dude.
What
that
about
guy-
your buddy Justin got married? How's he?
Yeah. Oh, he's good. He's got a kid now.
Before married?
Oh, no.
Oh, on the way.
On the way.
Yeah, just like me. Good for him. He got
Timing's-
married in June?
Timing was right.
June,
yeah,
July,
yeah,
August.
yeah,
Damn.
yeah, yeah,
They're right. They're right on me. Right after 2 months pregnant.
Yeah.
Good for him, bro.
You kept it short, huh?
How-
Like,
Yeah, because are you turning 40?
down the trail, I got visual on you. You see me? I'm on your 12.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Yeah, like yeah, you kept the wedding kind of light. I was like,
Honestly, we were gonna do it in May. Remember, we were gonna do a whole thing,
come on, brother, grab some shade, dude.
but we did the engagement party, and then
Yeah,
like
I thought the engagement party was the wedding. I was like,
we
this-
should have just, usually we should have, cause I just did. I went to a friend's engagement, same thing. They got married like a day
Yeah.
before. Surprise, good for them. Honestly, I ain't mad at
Yeah.
that. Cause the headache, family, this and that. Gotta keep
Yeah.
going. Gotta invite this, who's that. You're like, fuck, can
It's
keep
a
it under
lot going,
15, like
yeah.
shit.
It's a lot.
You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like, oh, I want the surprise food.
Dude,
You
good
know?
for you,
Yeah,
good for
like-
you guys though. Like freaking, you
Okay, let's
spent
move
less
on.
than 50K. Mine was a 50K
Dude,
wedding.
beautiful wedding though. Bust out
Thank
with the lightsabers, carried it out like a magic carpet.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
The live music in the lobby.
yeah.
Yeah, married bro or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Big wedding. It's Cerritos, and it was cool. The usual live music in the lobby, drinks, Star Wars theme.
Oh shit.
It was cool. Always cool.
Yeah, ours
I'm glad
was,
that
yeah.
is Regina into Star Wars?
Regina is in
Enough?
Star Wars now with me. She'll
Well,
dress
good for
up
her.
as a Jedi.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm just getting through Fast and Furious with Marlene, right? And I told her,
Oh,
like,
yeah?
dude. So we watched like number 2, right? It's like, oh, dude, don't you just miss having a 6-shift daily? Like, I want to get a
Yeah.
6-shift daily, like a
Yeah,
beater, but
exactly,
it's like,
yeah.
screw it, I'll just keep driving the Prius. But I need the hybrid.
Oh, yeah,
So
you
then,
had a Prius.
yeah, I
Right.
sold the Sequoia and the Tundra, but now I picked up an 08 Prius.
That was smart.
Fucking great beater.
Yeah, that's
Don't get me
good.
wrong, I might take it to TJ to get it painted though. So Marlene was like, you want to go? I'm like,
Worth a
I'm
shot.
fucking scared. Like, the Chinito, they're gonna get me. So like, we're trying to go, but I don't know.
Why'd you get rid of the Sequoia?
I still have it. I still have it. They're both first gen Sequoia, because they're both V8s. Yeah. So I left the
You want
Tundra.
33s?
Well, you got extra lane on?
I got a set of extras lying around, dude.
Maybe. Maybe, yeah. Cause my Sequoia,
I'll run you a deal. For 100, you get the
When
fit
I'm-
for free.
oh yeah. When I need them, I mean, obviously if you still have them, if you need
Oh,
them.
dude,
But
they're
let me see when I
sitting
need tires.
around- they just
And
sit around for a while.
cause I rub, I ended up putting spacers on the Sequoia.
I put spacers in
Yeah.
mine.
Oh yeah,
too.
exactly. We were talking about it.
Yeah.
And I still had to fucking chop the inside fender. And I'm like, I just need smaller tires. I'm over this shit.
Yeah, just
Because when Marlene drove drive
on
it, the noise
35s?
was scary her. No, mine. It's just they're bigger. They're 285, 75, 17s.
Oh, there's 34s.
Yeah. Then
34,
they rub. Like
35,
I need
they'll rub
33s.
like
Yeah, they rub. Because on my Tundra I have 33s.
Yeah, if you need a set of 33s, I
Yeah,
got
because Marlene won't drive because she hears the rubbing. Even after I
Oh,
chopped a
really?
little bit, so she gets when I do a reverse like big, you reverse you,
Yeah,
I'll rub.
yeah.
Everything
I'll rub
for
on mine too.
yeah.
Even
I'm
when
like,
you-
nah, part of the game, but
Yeah, dude, if you're fully flexed, you'll rub.
yeah,
Well, yeah, for sure, no shit. 400, you
yeah,
get the fit for free.
yeah. I'll let you know when I get them. So maybe you give me like a year
Oh, no worries.
if you got them.
Oh, yeah, I'll still go.
Because yeah, when I get tired of rubbing.
I got 20-inch wheels too. They were supposed to go to my brother-in-law. He was too afraid to put them on because of
What car?
rubbing. They went to a Mustang, but they'll fit an 5 lug.
Uh,
Yeah, they're Ford Stars.
how much did that run you?
I got them at a deal for 1,100 on the side.
Right.
They were like, you only use them for 1,000 miles.
And they got tires on them?
And they had tires on them.
Oh, okay,
I
there you
ran the
go.
Tires straight to hell though.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Sumitomo.
But honestly, oh yeah. No, exactly. Yeah, it's not how good. They're like the parent company for a lot of brands, right? Sumitomo.
Hankook actually makes some pretty good cat tires if you want to get back into the fast.
Fuck no. I just miss driving stick for a minute. Just gotta drive a buddy's car and then I'll get my fix and move on.
Yeah. Probably on the car for 3 years.
So we just finished Fast 5 and I told her like that's probably the last one I really remember. And it's like damn Gal Gadot popped out looking all bomb and shit, all juicy.
I know.
I'm gonna watch it.
Still got it, dude.
I mean she is slim. And you know, it serves in the Red Lake Defense Force.
Yeah.
Like she was like the dream, like they ride the motorcycle and driving the cars.
Oh yeah. And her Porsche?
Yeah. So then after that, I was like, oh yeah, Vin. I was telling her like the bullshit, like, oh yeah, Vin Diesel and The Rock, they didn't get along, so that's why they're not in any movies.
That's why they fucked
I heard
off.
Vin Diesel tried to kiss The Rock. I don't like the drama. No, but it's just like, I don't like the drama.
It started getting stupid. And then
Yeah.
Here comes the transporter.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Oh yeah.
It was about to turn
Yeah.
into Expendables.
Yeah. Everyone started adding the thing. Yeah,
Chuck Norris
all the
is
bad
in
guys.
there.
Yeah.
Honestly, the Expendables was better than the last like Fast.
Yeah, 'cause I haven't, but I'm gonna stream through them now because I already started. But yeah, I think what number 10 they're in space, right? That was like the ongoing joke. Like they're in fucking space now, and it's funny because watching it, they're like.
Transformers involved now.
I was kind of like saying like, oh, they became heist movies, then less focus on the cars. But honestly, they've always kind of been heist movies.
It's been
Yeah,
There's
but
no greater heist movie. thing, Gone in 60 Seconds.
Oh, that's a classic one.
Yeah, dude.
Wasn't the Italian Job also kind of like a heist movie?
yeah,
that was a good, like
that
a
was
car
good.
one. Yeah, I remember saying like that was a
Driving
good.
was awesome.
Mhm.
Seeing the minis and everything.
Yeah.
But the amount of different cars, cool cars,
Uh-huh.
collector, enthusiast cars.
Yeah. You stole one off the list. Who in the, so why don't you just go into the police station with the clown costume and say, hey.
Oh, that's a good one too. I should watch with her. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cause I watched Harry Potter for her.
Oh,
We
there
watched
you
Star Wars for me and Game of Thrones, and then we're watching Dark Wolf, Terminalist. Watch that?
Oh, I forgot about season 2 basically.
Oh, bro, good. The
that's
action
season
is
2 or
good. It's a
season-
prequel. It's a
oh,
prequel.
season 2.
It's good. It follows the homie, his CIA buddy. Did you
Yeah.
finish the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That he had to take out the end, right?
Yeah.
I think it leads up to like the betrayal. I feel like his homie is in the teams with him.
Wait, all right, spoil it for me. Is his homie, in season 1, did his homie betray Chris Pratt?
I don't know yet. I'm not there yet. But at the end, it's like he did. Can you chime for me? I don't know where to get that.
Fair enough.
No, let him know, Johnny. We're heading back.
Hey, Johnny, where are you at? We're heading back.
Oh, that's fine.
4, 2. You with the flag.
Damn, you got all the way back there? I see you, Johnny, in the ridge. Yeah. I don't envy where you're at. Yeah, watch it. It's a good one.
Dude, sometimes these guys are crazy. Sometimes everyone's like, dude, like right now, like we're done.
Yeah.
And there's 2 guys out there,
Just
and
one
then they'll
on
play
one.
a one-on-one for the
Hell
next like,
yeah.
hour.
Hell
Jesus
yeah.
Christ.
I mean, you know, our time is valuable now, bro. I ain't mad. Like, we barely make it out enough, right? But I'm tired.
35 minutes in, I'm like, all right.
Yeah, I was like, wow.
Hey, we came out, got some nice rest.
The trail, and I was like, all right, well, we're here. See you guys back at camp.
Lock.
If you think this is bad, dude, I haven't done hunting yet. Imagine what hunting's gonna be like.
Yeah.
Yeah. They want-
Hunting one.
Oh, where? For what? Quail or pig? Boar?
No, in New Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Shit.
You have deer. Yeah, 4X.
What's that?
Big it out.